Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, at the moment we are here in Raymond Terrace. I don't know the exact name of this river. Probably Hunter River. Not really sure. There is this, and the city center is actually just over there. Walking distance, I mean. Yeah, it's nice here. Yeah, lots of trees. Big river. I don't know if this is deep. You know the river that I know when I was in the Philippines? Actually, most of the river that I've seen in the Philippines are small, maybe just one port of this. So probably you consider that, I mean the Australian consider that river as just a creek. Even the Pasig River in Metro Manila, yeah, this one is much bigger than, I mean most of the rivers here in Australia are big like this or even bigger than this. Yeah, very beautiful here. Yeah, peaceful, quiet, lots of trees and nice temperature these days because already spring. And the temperature, the wind is not harsh to the skin anymore. And I am with my new bun. I'm actually here because I went to Heatherbury in 4WD Sofa Center to buy drawers. I bought drawers, and that is going to be the base of my bed in this new camper van. And I went there to the physical store, but I decided to buy it online through Qantas marketplace so that I'll be able to get more points, because buying it in the store will give me just 1 Qantas points. But with Qantas marketplace or Qantas shopping, I'll get 3 times points. And so I bought it online even if I was in the store. But I need to wait for the message, the click and collect pickup notice. And I actually just got it, and so I am going there now. But I am here in this is part of the Port Stephen. This is Raymond Terrace, and this is actually the city council area of Port Stephens. This is about 1 hour, less than 1 hour drive from Nelson Bay or to Nelson Bay. I went here because there is a New South Wales Service Center here, and I made actually 2 transactions in NSW service. Basically notice of disposal of my Volkswagen Transporter. And then registration of this. Very nice. I paid 1,300 plus for registration, transfer something, I don't know, but and then next month I'm going to pay again for around 600 for registration into my name.
How much is this van?
Yeah, it's good.
I'll send a picture to my friend.
My height is just enough for this one.
No. Are you gonna turn it into a camper? Everything. You gonna live in it or camper?
I live in it.
Me too. I live in mine.
Nice.
Good. You save money, man.
Just last week I previously lived in a Volkswagen Transporter, but the Volkswagen
Now you
is low.
luxury now, man.
So you have this.
Good on you.
Thank you.
It's the way to go.
They don't have much of this kind. Mostly are the
flat.
flat one.
This is good. I want the high roof in this, but it's hard to find. Can't get it.
With the Volkswagen, the high roof, by
Sprinters cost too much money. Yeah, but this is good. All right.
yeah, all good, thank you. Okay, so yeah, we're ready to go. Yeah, so there is a guy, I saw him. He was taking a photo of this. Yeah, he also have a van, which is a Volkswagen Crafter, but it's lower. Yeah, the standard one, he cannot stand up straight. He said he's looking for a one that is higher, Volkswagen. And he said that the Sprinter is very expensive. Yeah, and yeah, he actually also live in that camper van. So I'm going to the car storage, and that's where I am going to stay today to set up this. Oh, it is now 1:02 and we are now here in Taylor's Bridge. This kind of industrial area. Lots of offices and mostly storage. Yeah, for stop and storage. Yeah, and I'm going to eat. There is one Thai restaurant here. I got this fish curry something or stew and rice. I actually prepared to eat it in the table, but yeah, she put it in the takeaway container, so I'm going to eat it in the car. It is how it is. Red. The rice is I don't know what's in the rice. Why it is red? Not spicy. Oh, this is $16. Inigo actually have been messaging me. Yeah, last night he said he prepared food. Yeah, but I need to organize the things inside because I just took it from the other van and transfer it here, and so it's not organized, and I needed to organize it last night for me to have a proper place of the bed. Yeah, also organize the things to bring into my self-storage. Yeah, and then this morning he wants to go for a walk with Divina also. But yeah, I was already in Heather Bray. Yeah, in 4WD Sofa Center. Plus I also went to the NSW service for the registration. So was very busy. Yeah, and I'm expecting to be very busy the whole month, maybe the whole time that I'm doing this one. Yeah, we are now here. Oh, actually, Inigo was very big help when I pick up this vehicle from Sydney.
Yeah. I mentioned
So basically, yeah, we drove to Sydney, and then I am the one driving this going back to Nelson Bay, and then Inigo was the one driving the Volkswagen going back to Nelson Bay. Yeah, and then halfway he drove this one. Yeah, look at this.
How are you?
What happened?
I just dislocate my shoulder back home.
Just drama.
No,
Just
it's not
drama?
It's not drama. I dislocate my shoulder while I'm pushing the motorcycle. So it's another motorcycle freak accident. So nothing to worry. It's all good now. It's not good. It's 70% okay.
Why pushing the motorcycle?
Because there's a flood and there's a typhoon. 3 typhoons in one day. Back home.
Now we are here in the storage. This is actually a new one. Yeah, I'm renting this space for my for the materials that I'm going to use. Yeah, lots of boxes will be. So this is the drawer. This is another drawer. And this kind of, what's that? Compartment for the fridge, because I also bought a fridge. This one, this is a fridge. Okay, let's start unboxing. So yeah, this is the drawer. And it comes with a lot of extra things. Screw and washers and nuts, manual, okay. A little bit heavy. So these are the two drawers. Already installed this one. Now this is the next. Here is to put there. And now this is the fridge. How can I do this? Ah, heavy. Yeah, the fridge comes with kinds of this thing. Yeah, to make it permanent over there, safe and secure. Oh, this fridge doesn't comes with the. Yeah, it doesn't comes with the wire, with the cables. Okay, so I managed to finish this. This is basically the compartment of the fridge. Yeah, this is actually $99. Yeah, but I actually got a lot of discount. Yeah, because I bought the one with the promo, like a combination, like two pieces of this drawer, and then the fridge and this combined, so it's cheaper. So that is how it is. And then the bed is just here. It's going to be, let me show you. The bed is going to be just like this. Oh, yeah, it is strong enough. And I'm just right.